Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to invite somebody to a channel on Slack. Ladies and gentlemen, there are just a few ways you can do this. So over here, you will see on the left hand side, we've got this menu and then we have the name of our channel. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and right down over here, you can see it says invite people to your channel name. Here you are going to literally dial in the email addresses over here, and then you can continue with your Google Workspace. Also, you can see over here, you can search channels, so you can make sure that your teammates are in the right channels from the get-go. All right, so you can just add the right channels that they have access to, and then if you don't want to invite them via email, let's say you don't have their email or it's just too many, you can just say copy link over here, and you literally now have a link that you can copy, and you can send this to literally anybody. That link will allow whoever clicks on that link to be invited to How to Kado, whatever the team name is or whatever your channel name is, and then you will get a join request. And once you get the join request, you are going to obviously accept the join request, and then they will be invited to your team on Slack.